Line set refers to an additive shading technique that implies a shade, tone, or texture. A series of fine lines can be overlaid to show the tonal variations from light to dark, and this shading technique was used in both drawing and painting, especially in egg tempera painting, which was popular around the Renaissance. You can observe the paint was layered over with the thin and linear brush marks. Some Renaissance artists have been associated with their use of line sets, now referred to as hatching, cross-sectional, or cross-contour, discussed in this video. Among the line sets we will discuss today, hatching is an easiest line set that can be laid down in a mechanical way. Hatching consists of straight lines drawn close to each other to give an illusion of value. Massive hatching and overlaid lines produces optical tones. Leonardo da Vinci is largely associated with hatching lines. Another Renaissance artist from the Northern Europe, Albrecht Dürer, has set another convention called cross-contour, where lines travel across the surface form of an object. If you look at the surface of a pear sliced with a knife, the cut lines might represent the cross-contour lines. Cross-contour process takes more time and effort compared to the hatching process, but it would give out a lot more information, including the form's surface condition as well as the amount of light that the surface is getting. See his use of cross-contour lines in his Praying Hand, completed in 1508. The black and white ink lines on a bluish middle tone paper reveals not only the bony structure of the hand and veins underneath the skin, but also the way the light falls over the form. Cross-contour lines in its varied roundness can be easily found if you look around. This beautiful caterpillar has black ring patterns all around its entire body, and as it moves and turns, we see the rings as a series of ellipses in varied roundness. As its head facing us directly, the black ring appears almost in full circle, but then towards the middle, as its body turns gradually, the rings appear much shallower. We find similar ring patterns in the trees. See the series of rings on this palm trunk, where the rings appear almost as a straight line on our eye level. As the rings move further away above or below our eye level, the rings appear much fuller. With the full elliptical rings that you see in the base of this tree, it gives you the sense of perspective, as we know that we are looking at this tree from much above. Of course, the tree was photographed from the second floor, looking down towards the ground floor. Before we start cross-contour tree assignment, first, observe the elliptical shapes of the tree at its twists and turns. Of the trunk and branches, you should be able to draw the tree with a good sense of direction, foreshortening, and perspective. And you might even be able to capture the emotional and expressive qualities of the tree that you're drawing.